Hey everybody, it's Tony from Car Stars, and I want to do a real quick video on this ring squaring tool. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like, I want to say it's right around 20 bucks. I'll click up flash up a picture of the invoice that I had for this. But yeah, I got it on Amazon. As you can see, the little arms adjust. So I think it goes from a bore of like 3 inches to about 5 inches. So it worked for our LS1, and so you just adjust the arms out until it fits squarely in the bore without any, I hate my phone, sometimes it just doesn't want to focus, without any slop. So once that is at the perfect diameter of your cylinder, you slide it down into the cylinder, and what happens is it'll push the ring down so that it's square in the cylinder bore. You can reach through the gaps and make sure that you can pull the little rings up so that they seat exactly on all of these, and this is laying flat on top of the cylinder. So the ring is now square. You could do the same thing if you had a piston and you just wanted to lower the piston down into the bore. But we use this. It was pretty good. If you want to have absolutely no chance of marring the side of your cylinder walls, I mean, this is made of a softer material than the cylinder wall. I think this is an aluminum. So it really shouldn't do any damage. I guess technically it could. So if you wanted to get one that was perfectly sized to your cylinder, made out of like a plastic or some other kind of composite material so that it absolutely would not have any chance of marring your cylinder walls, you could do that. But this did the trick for us. After we got it to the size we needed, it worked fine. Just went boom, 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 boom in every single cylinder. So pretty cheap tool, worked just fine. I would give it a thumbs up as far as my rating goes. But that's about all to say about it. It's a cheap tool and it works. So what more could you ask for, right? So anyway, thanks for watching. If you want one, go get it on Amazon. I don't have any kind of affiliate link or anything, so I don't get any cashola from the sale. So just some information for y'all. I'm going to review a ring compressor tool that we also got off Amazon and used, and I thought that one was really good. So that'll be next. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.